Capcut Pro is free. Capcut Pro is free. You heard me right. In my last video, I talked about how to create fake background. This is the link. In this video, I'm telling you how to make use of Capcut Pro features for free, because Capcut made some of their features pro, like enhance voice, remove background. But wait, let's dive in. First, go to your Capcut. When you go to Capcut, click on new project. This is me searching for my background I want to use, and this is me picking the background. After you pick the background, did you see the background is kind of big? So you go to aspect ratio and pick 16:9, which is YouTube standard. So you will notice that it did not fit all the whole screen. It's kind of looking smaller than the normal size. So you are going to expand it. So you click on it and you expand it to the perfect size. Did you see that it's perfectly fit? Now you click on overlay. When you click overlay, you add the video that you want to make use of. When you add the video that you want to make use of, this is me search for the video. Okay, I've picked the video that I want. After you click the video that you want, did you notice that it is not the same size? So you expand it and make it perfect. When it's perfect, did you see that it's perfect? Now you remove the background. You look for remove background feature. When you look for remove background feature, press auto remover, then it is removed. I hope you are getting it and you are following step by step already. So this is it. The background has been removed. Background has been removed, but this one is kind of short. Either you expand it or you duplicate it. Let me expand it a little. Or better still, you just duplicate. Look for duplicate, click on it, and you duplicate it, which is a little bit faster. But since it's not still aligned, I'm going to expand it a little to make it perfect. Now, the next step is to what? Is to make the background blur. Not to make everybody know that this is a fake background. No, you make it blur. So you click on the background. Did you see that it's perfectly okay? It's looking well. You see? Now, after I've gotten this perfect thing, now we click on effect and look for video effect. Then we're going to search for what? Blur. BLUR. We're going to search for blur. Then when we search for it, we're going to see something like the first one. They have different type of blur, but we're going to pick the first one. After we pick it, you see that it loaded in little, it's not still long. You pick it and you adjust. You click on adjust, reduce it to the size that I want. I do put mine to 20. Sometimes you can put to 25, but I'm going to put mine in 20, so that when it's in 20, it's going to make a perfect blur. It's not going to be too blur, it's not going to be too sharp. So 20 is the perfect size. So you see that I put it back in 20. See that it's already blur. It's not really clear. It's blur like I'm really in a studio. I remember at my house when I did this video. So after that one, next thing is to enhance voice. I'll go to enhance voice. That is what I'm about to teach you. Go to overlay. Click on the video. Then go to enhance voice. Then you put it on. When you put it on, it's going to look for about, let's say, 2 to 3 minutes. But me, I'm going to fast forward this so that we'll not waste much of our time. Capcut Pro is free. After enhancing our voice, the main thing for enhancing voice is to remove the echo in the background, remove the noise. Did you notice that we are making use of two pro features? I'm making use of the fake background and the enhanced voice. After we are done with the whole editing, then we screen record. You screen record all your video. After you screen record it, and go to new project, you pick the screen record video. Then next, click on the video and go to transform. Then click on resize 16:9, which is YouTube standard. Then you set it to be perfectly sized. Then you set it, but it's still going to be kind of small. That is where we are going to go. Click on it after you set it in here. You see that it's kind of small. Then you mark it. Then you go to what they call aspect ratio. You look for aspect ratio. When you go to aspect ratio, click 16:9. I'm not going to print for anything on Capcut. Everything is free. Free. So now, did you see that this is it? I'm going to delete those parts that I do not need in the screen record because it's not going to be useful for me. I'm going to delete them and I'm going to jolly and we are going to export our video. But I'm on a 7 days challenge to post consistently for the next 7 days. So my next video might be a story. So I want you to stay tuned.
This is me cutting the parts that I do not need. So stay tuned for the story, because the story is going to be an adventure story. 1 in a million. This is me testing the video. After testing the video, then what? Then we export it. That's the end. In case you want to add your watermark, but let's export it. And like and follow for more. I am Bolu of Lagos. Thank you for staying true. Bye bye.